Hello everyone, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav AutomationStudio. So today we are going to learn about how to resolve the merge conflicts. So this is what we are learning today. So before that, we must need to understand how basically we'll get a merge conflict. So imagine that. Let me quickly draw the one of the diagram for you. Like suppose what we can say. Suppose we have this main server, or we can say that this is GitHub main repository. Okay, and now here multiple people are working over here. Suppose this is an user one, and this is user two. This is user two. These are the working. Now these both the user are working on the same file, and on the same line they made some changes, and they push his code. They are trying to push his code. When they are trying to push his code, then one of the PR pull request or merge request is gonna raise. Okay, both the users are going to raise a merge request. Now both the users are making the changes in a same file on the same line, and they are trying to push the code. But when they are trying to push the code out of these two users, if one of the users are is this code gonna merge into the repository, then what will happen? Then on the second users will get an compile time error. I mean to say merge conflicts basically he will get. Why he will get a merge conflicts? Because your GitHub repository is going to tell you like already in this file on this line some of the changes are happened, and now you must need to resolve these conflicts. You must need to solve which changes you have to keep and which changes you have to remove. Okay, this is that is why basically merge conflicts you will get. Merge conflicts always is a good thing. Basically we have, please make a note of this point. Now what is the next thing? Now let me quickly let me quickly try to resolve like recreate the merge conflicts. How basically we'll get and recreate the merge conflicts. So first of all, what exactly I'm trying to do? Let me quickly open the git like IntelliJ idea over here, and let me take a latest tool, git pull origin. Okay, origin master. This is how the latest tool I have to pick, like I have to take. Now you can see my all branches are up to date. Now I'm going to create a two branch over here. One is like for user one and second one is for user two. So git checkout minus b user underscore one. This is what branch name I'm just creating. And once I'm creating, you can see this is how actually I'm shifting in a branch name. This is user one branch name I'm going to shift it. Now you can see guys, now in this test case Z, I am making changes like test case instead of test case A, I am just making changes over here. Test case A, B, C, D. This is what one liner changes I'm just doing. And let me save these changes. You can say if I want to check what kind of changes basically I have to make, you can simply use git diff command you can use, and based on that you can see guys, instead of git diff I am just using git status. You can see in this file changes we made, and with the help of the git diff command you can see these many changes basically I made. Now I have to add the changes. How we can add? Git space add space dot. With this command we can add the all changes. You can see my all changes are ready to commit. Now let me commit the changes. Git commit minus m, and I have to put the message like user one commit. This is what message I'm just picking up. And once this is done, let me push the code. How to push the code? Git push origin user underscore one. This is the branch name basically I have to pick. And once this is done, you can see my code is successfully gonna push into the branch, and my new PR is gonna create. Like how we are going to access that new PR, you can see this is a thing we have. Let me quickly refresh my GitHub repository, and you can see this is what pop-up we'll get. You can see now I have to create an one PR over here. Okay, this is what one PR I am just gonna create. Once this is done, you can see this is one PR, and now in this PR we don't have any merge conflict. You can see this is just an things basically we have, so we don't have any merge conflicts over here. Okay, so now what exactly I'm trying to do? Again I'm going to check out to the new user. Okay, let me go to the git checkout master. This is what I'm check out. I'm doing just check out to the master branch, and let me I didn't merge that previous branch. Okay, so get checkout minus b, and here user underscore true. This is new branch name I'm just creating. Once this is done, you can see all are the phrase changes. Now I'm doing the changes on in the same file on the same line. Get the test case uh, X, Y, Z. This is what changes I'm just making. And once this is done, let me quickly open the gate, like same basically actions you can perform like git status, in which file basically you made a changes. You can see on this file you made a changes, what kind of changes basically you made. So simple git diff command you can use. So we are going to make sure that like these are the changes basically we made. Now I want to make the changes for and ready for commit. So how we can use git space add space dot. These are the changes basically we made. And let me quickly commit git commit minus m, git commit minus m, and then commit I have to make, like user to commit I have to make. Okay, you can see my commit is successfully done. And now I have to push this code where git push origin user underscore to. This is the branch name we have, and this is code I'm just pushing. Once I'm code gonna push successfully here, you can see guys, again you can see will get immediately pop up like one more push request will get. Now you can see, let me quickly create a pull request over here. Now we have how many pull requests we have? Two pull requests we have. Now here also you can see we don't have anything over here. I mean to say we don't have a merge config set. Now what exactly I'm doing, guys? Listen carefully. What exactly I'm doing? In the first commit in a PR, I am just merging this thing. Let me quickly merge this PR. Now once I'm just merging this PR, you can see guys what exactly happen. Immediately in your second PR will get a merge conflicts. You can see. Now let me quickly refresh, and now you can see this is message you will get. Resolve conflicts, merge conflicts message you will get. This is known as a merge conflicts we have. Now I hope you understand this is how basically merge conflicts you will get. Okay. So my first, as per the diagram, you can see in my diagram, like first PR once got merged, in immediately you will get an merge conflicts in a second PR, and now you have to solve this merge conflicts. How we can solve this merge conflicts? So simple guys, you have to open the IntelliJ IDEA tool, and again you have to take a latest pool. Now you are where you will get merge conflicts in a user to branch, you will get merge conflicts, right? So now what exactly we have to do? We have to take a latest pull from a master. So how to take a latest pull? Gate pull origin master. This is what guys latest pull I'm just taking up. Once I'm taking a latest pull, now you can see guys you will get locally also you are starting the merge configs. Now locally also you will get a merge configs, and if you can see still it's not happened, let me quickly open the file. Which file guys? Depends on example, right? So depends on, this is a file, and you can see merge configs are gonna started. You can see this is how error basically you will get. Now how to solve this? Again you have to go to the git option, and you have to click on the resolve configs option. Once you clicked over here, this is the window is going to open, and you have to open this file. What exactly you have to do guys? You have to open this file, and in this file you have a three section. One is, this is a branch section where you are exist right now. This is what combinations we have, and you in your right hand side, what you will have on your right hand side, this is basically what exactly you are having guys on your right hand side. This is an master branch code you have. This is a local branch code which exists in your local repository. This code comes from a master branch, and whatever which code you have to take and which code you have to remove, that is what this code you have. Now if you see over here, you can see you will get clear message no change, one conflicts. Like how many conflicts we have? One conflicts we have. Now if you identify where is the conflicts, you can see guys here is an yellow line we have. So you have to click over here. Now you have to click over here, and if you see guys here, you can see this is what the changes you will have. Now on the same file, on the same line, you will have a changes. Now suppose I don't want the changes. I don't want the changes. so you can directly remove the change, and you want only this change, so you can add the change. This is how basically immediately once you are done with this thing, immediately you will get message over here, all changes have been proceeded. It means whatever changes basically you wanted, that changes basically you picked up over here. Once this is done, simple, you have to click on the apply button, and now you have to commit the change. How to commit the change? Simple guys, git commit -m add changes or resolve conflicts. This is what commit I'm just doing. Resolve conflicts. This is what commit I'm just making. And once this is done, you can see guys, again I have to push the code gate push. Okay, gate push origin your branch name. And once I'm done with this thing, you can see guys, your code is gonna successfully pushed over here. You can see, if I'm just navigating over here, you can see this is first commit, this is second commit you just made guys. You can see, and if I am just clicking over here, now your merge conflicts gonna resolve here as well. You can see guys, your merge conflicts gonna resolve over here. Now you can successfully, you can see you don't have any merge conflicts, and now you can merge your MR successfully guys. And this is how basically we can solve the merge conflicts when we occurred. Now hope you understand everything, and that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video.